Hey guys, M3 is here. Here is ViVo Z1x, the latest smartphone by Vivo. Let's unbox this brand new smartphone. Let's see some key feature of this smartphone. Made in India is here. You can see here, made in India. 4500 mAh battery, Snapdragon 720, triple camera setup and on-screen fingerprint sensor. Here is a fingerprint sensor. You can see some features and details given here. Let's unbox this brand new smartphone. Look at this packing, very good quality. Here is some paperwork and data cable and back cover. Back cover is not so soft but good quality. It will protect your phone. Here is a warranty card and manual and C-type data cable, which is for fast charging. It has also given a fast charging in smartphone. You can see here C-type cable. Kept aside, take out this smartphone. It is little bit heavy. Let's put it aside. Let's also check out headphone and charger. Here's a headphone, not so good quality. Here's a charger. It is a fast charger, 20-watt fast charger. I will test it and give you a full review. Here's a smartphone. Let's see what's inside this smartphone. Display is super bright, so good display and so smooth working. Some pre-installed app is given. Here's a body. Look at the back, not a glass body, it is a plastic but good finish here. You can see two buttons, one for volume and one for power. Triple camera setup with 48 megapixel camera, C-type port and 3.5 mm jack. Here's a microphone with advanced technology for noise cancellation. You can see here phone is so premium and handy. You can feel so good. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and support us to make video this like this. Thank you for watching this video. I will also make a camera review of this smartphone. Be ready to watch the next video.